Me in Neverland. Take me in Neverland.
So what is up, you all? This is your man, Problem Solving, also known as KyTheHero on other social media platforms. But you are hearing it here first. Microsoft has pulled the trigger to purchase Blizzard Activision. This means that Microsoft is adding more. They're adding Overwatch, Candy Crush, Diablo, Hearthstone, Guitar Hero. So many more games is now joining the Xbox family. Me personally, I am excited for it because of all the controversy that Activision Blizzard has been, undergoing for the past year. So I'm more than confident that Phil Spencer is going to come in and make some major changes. Definitely shuffle some leadership around also. But there's a little bit more light shining. Let me know in the comments what you think about this game-breaking news. Finna say definitely drop a like, subscribe, share this video with your friends. It definitely helps the channel grow. But until next time, you all, stay beautiful, stay bold, and most importantly, stay blessed. Till next time.
Take me in Neverland.